Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Cash App without a card. So let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your device and click the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Link Banks. You might see a bank account linked already, but click Replace Bank for this method. It will ask for your bank's routing number. If you don't have one, don't worry. I'll show you how to get a free US bank account using an app called Wise. Now, exit Cash App and search for Wise. Wise gives you a US account and allows you to receive and send money internationally. Once you've installed Wise and signed up, click on Account and then tap Receive. Select View and Share Account Details to see your US account and routing number. This number will be your US bank account details for Cash App. Next, go back to Cash App and under Link Banks, add your Wise account by entering the routing number and account number. After confirming, your Wise account will be linked to Cash App. And that's it. Now, you can cash out your money for free, even without a bank account or card. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are also in the description. Thanks for watching.